Some entertainment news now, and day 3 at the Toifa 2013 saw the biggest stars turn up at their fashionable best. Janice Sequeira and Rasha Goel with all the red carpet action.
So together and individually, theirs is one of the most anticipated acts of the night, guys. Look at that crowd. Are you guys excited or what?
Yeah, I mean, people here have always been so loving, and you witnessed it, and really looking forward to performing for everyone here in Vancouver. They're just so loving.
Abhishek, you?
I'm getting nervous, yeah. I'm first up, so I'm kind of itching to get out there. I would love performing, you know. I think both of us really feed off the energy of the audiences. And our performance has always been more interactive and about the audience. And I really hope they enjoy it. I'm excited to see her act. I like her act.
Yeah, right. We'll keep saying that about it.
So are you looking forward to taking the Toifa trophy home tonight?
No.
No?
No. No, I think, no, in all honesty and humility, I think Anuji deserves it. I think he was absolutely outstanding in Vicky Donor, and I hope you win.
I'm excited to know what you're going to be doing tonight up there.
Well, it's an interesting medley, but it's with Shamak, and he always puts up a beautiful show. So, you know, you're sure of that. And like he said, what we enjoy doing is connecting with the audience, and it becomes more interactive. You really just enjoy the energy, and there's plenty out here. So just looking out to have fun really on stage, delivering.
This is the first edition of the Times of India Film Awards. What do you think about the Times of India doing these award ceremony on a global platform? And, you know, it's the first edition. What's the experience been like so far?
Well, like he said earlier, and I agree, it's more the merrier. Welcome aboard. And, you know, the group is going to put up a very, very successful and beautiful effort, already witnessing it. So that I think everybody's already assured of. And, yeah, it's bon voyage, and God bless and all the best.
The one thing that you must always do on a red carpet, and you guys have walked so many over the years, and the one thing that you must never do on a red carpet.
I can't be answering this, sorry.
Make sure you have good distractions standing next to you, so that if you're not feeling too good, they're all going to be looking at her. That's the one thing you must do.
And the one thing that you must never ever do?
Never do.
Be pretentious. I think you just got to be yourself and be comfortable. I think that's really it.
Yeah, don't do the pout.
Just be comfortable. Just be comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, can we please pan down to these shoes? Those are hot, like H-O-T-T-T. Where did you get those shoes?
Those are Christian Louboutin's shoes, he's a friend and I'm a big fan of what he does. And these are also for self-protection, as you can see. Because if anyone asks me a question I don't like, then you will go home injured.
I'm scared now. I'm going to step to the side. All right, you hosted the technical awards. You've been a part of all the Toifa events happening. How is it, and what are you most looking forward to tonight at the award ceremony?
Well, I think Ranbir and Anushka are hosting, so I'm really looking forward to that. Apart from that, there are A-list performances: Abhishek, Aishwarya, Katrina, Priyanka, Shah Rukh. Solid lineup, really fantastic. The who's who of the film fraternity will be on stage tonight. So it promises to be a grand beginning to what I call the beginning of this Toifa experience that will, I hope, grow on to be a worldwide brand.
Karan, I have to ask you, what have you enjoyed most so far about the Toifa experience?
Well, it's always great when the film fraternity is out of the country and we're kind of together, so far removed that we have to hang out with each other. So it's great.
Forced.
Yeah, it's great. Kind of.
As you're walking the red carpet, what is an absolute no-no that you should never do on the red carpet?
Is try and be candid on the red carpet. If you're asked to pose, just pose, because the pictures will come really badly if you be apologetic about it. I think strike a pose, there's nothing to it.
Can you strike a pose for us?
Yeah, that's it.